Now, using park assist inside of the vehicle is a very straightforward process. All we're going to do is hit this little P button, and as you can see there, we can pull up park assist, and we can either get the vehicle to help us with parallel parking, a parallel park out, or it can help us with perpendicular parking. So we've got a few different options there, and by default, it's going to look on our right-hand side. But by pressing the left-hand turning stick, so just doing a quick click over, it's going to switch us to the left side, or we can jump back to the right. So really a matter of preference, and depending on what side of the street you're looking on. And then literally all we're going to do is follow the directions on the screen. So we're just going to start driving forward, and you're just going to watch what happens with the screen there as we go. Okay, so the vehicle's found a spot, so we're just going to stop and follow the directions. So it's telling us to release the steering wheel. It wants us to go from drive into neutral. And after we do that, all we have to do is take our foot off the brake, and you're just going to press and hold this P button. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, the first couple times you use this, chances are pretty good you're probably going to be hovering on the brake. And the reason why is because you may not necessarily believe that the vehicle is going to be able to do what it needs to do, but it is smart from that perspective. All right, so it got very, very close there, but at the same time, again, trust the vehicle. The technology is there to be able to really take advantage of this. So really, really useful there. So it's kind of pulling us forward. And as you can see there, we've also got a little button along the top there. It's a countdown timer letting us know what's going on. So vehicle is kind of moving us back as we go. My foot is off the brake, it's off the gas. The vehicle is literally doing everything, and it's backing us up. So really, really smart technology from that perspective. And back we go, and 3, 2, and boom. We are now completely finished. So it really is that simple. In order to roll down the windows using the key fob, it's a very straightforward process. All we're going to do is press the unlock button twice. On the second press, we're going to hold. So 1, 2, and hold. And down go the windows. We can release it as well. And in order to roll them back up, same idea. We're just going to press the lock button twice. On the second press, we're going to hold. So 1, 2, and hold. And then they roll back up from there. So really, really great feature.